Welcome to jobskillshare.org. In this video, I will talk about custom courses on jobskillshare.org. What is a custom course? A custom course is basically a set of modules, labs, videos that are coming from professionals who you usually won't see in a certification type of courses or maybe a degree level courses. The reason for that is that a certification specific course is very targeted towards certification, while a degree is a very broad type of program. And this is where, when we see something that is more recent or current, or a vendor that is being used by a company, so we kind of add that type of skills to make it a complete custom course for our members. Now, who are our members? Our members are public members. Our members are coming from college, universities, and MSPs, different levels of businesses, uses our products. So basically, we design different type of courses for them, and then we use that type of experience to provide it in our catalog. So I'm going to show you what we offer as a custom course. The first thing is to understand that we use Practice Lab, and in that we have many type of courses. And when people come over here, they have one course with a lot of modules, and these modules are hands-on with PDF on the left side with images and steps. On the right side, you have a main machine, and you can work in the machine. So as a JSS, because we are a skill-specific platform, we like to develop features to make it more easy for our members, so that when they do the labs, is there something that we can do for them to make it easy? So we pick on the most important labs, not all the labs, the most important labs in this whole list from here. For example, CompTIA, this first course is very important, and then we'll pick some other ones that are more important courses in this area, and then we'll start developing videos on top of that labs. And then when we do that, we basically use our own skills, and our own experts will add more videos to it to make it more beneficial for someone who's actually going for that specific learning. So for example, if somebody wants to become an IT professional, we have created a full path for them. So when you go to the website, log in, and you click on the first button, start your journey, then it takes you to this nice way of just starting. Are you brand new to IT? These are going to be your learning path, and in this learning path, you're going to learn the specific skills that are in market and in demand. So when somebody starts this self-paced program, in this we made our custom courses in a way that you are not getting confused when you go in, and basically you're going to be starting with a step-by-step approach. So that's one way to actually use our experience, because we have so many people coming to us. We have 45,000 members, and then based on that we learn different things, and we change our courses, the flow of it, and add more things to it to make sure that people can understand the whole learning path. And when they get out of this learning path, they are very skillful. So usually they will land a level 1, and some people have landed level 2 job, skipping level 1 type of positions, because of the skills that are presented in this. Is more than just a normal help desk type of position where you're not doing much, but it actually taking you more than that and teaches you a lot more in these type of learning paths. So the first recommended part is that yes, use our custom learning path. They're very much researched and designed that way. And then when you're moving up in this career, then we created the same flow. Your transitioning skills needs to be networking, and then we add that type of networking courses, or anything that is important in this transition period. We add this in our customization, and then you can actually take it, and then you move on to more advanced careers. So this is one way, and that's more of a guided way. Now, what is if somebody, let's say for example, our MSP, we have a different type of businesses that their technician uses our courses, and they're maybe above this level, or maybe they don't want to follow our way of doing things. They just want to get into the custom courses. How do you do that? And this could be for other partners as well, who are not using a learning path method, but just want to do a specific learning on a specific courses. So here's our download catalog button. When you click on it, it is going to take you to our basically this custom PDF right here, and it tells you exactly what we are working on. And in this, we have created this little tip area where we have this icon to show all entry-level IT support roles all IT support role could be any support role. I mean, even above the entry level. And then we have the administration roles like systems administration, network administration, security administrations, and even if somebody is above these two levels, then they can be using this type of tips. As you can see that even here we are telling people that the first course is IT Fundamental V1.0, and this is a whole list that someone can use to come and say, okay, you know what, I am interested in a custom courses, so that's the first flow right here. Then I'm interested in the Microsoft hands-on lab video courses, which is MD100, MD101, and then it goes to more, there's a lot of Microsoft courses that we have done the customized way. Then we have CompTIA courses that we have done, and then we have a Cisco area right now, and we are going to start security very soon. So as you can see, it's a very broad access, but at the same time it's given to you in a way that you can come and pick and choose things based on your skill level. And once you get into the course, and let's say for example you're interested in this custom course, which is the first course in our learning path, it's going to give you a tip as well. If you are new to IT career, we highly recommend starting with this course. And then basically the more you go down, it is going to give you the more tips. So for example, this course has a little 2 dots above 1 dot. So it says this course is recommended for individuals looking to transition from basic help desk and to more hands-on support roles. And how do we do this? Basically, in the same courses, we have a lot of hands-on approach. So if you're a Plus member, you get access to all of this, lifetime access to all of these courses in a video format. So when you click on it, you can get into this course and actually take this course as a Plus member, and this will be a lifetime access, which is great. If you have your own virtual box and any type of lab running, you have over 20 hours worth of hands-on practice lab videos available here in our platform. So you can actually get into any module and then actually replicate it in your own lab. Now, if you feel like you can invest in our premium membership, which is the most recommended membership, and it's very effective for someone who is going to be an IT professional, it's not only for you to just land a job, it's actually for you to be performing well on your job, and moving up in this career is the big thing when somebody lands a job. And actually performing and learning skills is another big part of IT career, where you just need to know this stuff. Either you learn it slowly from your company because they use specific labs or specific equipments that you have, and then they won't give you ability too much, because if you are in a production environment, not many people will be investing too much time to teach you these things in a lab environment and invest that kind of time. They'll just give you some courses online and take that maybe a day off or something like that. But you also have to invest in yourself to be growing in this career. So we have different type of members who this is suggested for public members. Then we have MSP members who have their own way of doing things. We have college level members, and they have their own trainings and everything. So of course they're targeted, and then that's where people contact us and where they can ask us questions. Okay, which type of flow is going to work for our members, and we help them out. So as you can see, it's a pretty big access, and I highly recommend as a member you should come and go to the community portal and download this catalog right here, which is going to really help you kind of like see what JobSkillShare team is doing for you as a member, and you will be happy to see that we're working on a lot of brand new courses and a lot of things are being done. So if you just want to see how many labs we have covered, it's amazing. We have covered more than 5,800 plus videos, and these are all, majority of this is probably, I would say 5,000 of them is only lab videos. So it's amazing features that we are providing to our members, and for them to develop their skills, is that yes, you can come and take a course like that, but you can also come and find a video quickly, like Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, anything you feel like that's going to be an on-premises type of IT. And now we're getting into MD101, which is Azure and stuff like that. We're touching that a lot now. So you're going to see a lot of videos in here. Just come on here and then search that term, and if you feel like you want to learn this side by side, then we have developed this feature for you, practice IT, you go to learn with labs. And if you're a premium member, this is the highly recommended feature. Come on here. This is A plus, CompTIA A plus course right here. It gives you some information. And here also it gives you that link. You can go and take that video course if you like. And if you want to do side-by-side practice, you just click on do lab right here, log in with your lab, and everything will be the same like this. You're going to have all the lab available right in our system. Username and password is going to be automatically given to you if you're a member, if you're an active member as a premium. And now if you click on search, you can see you're doing the lab in here, watching, practicing, following documentation. You get stuck, you simply search that task that you're looking for and just click on watch video, and now you have the video available to you right there in your system. And that is what we are doing as a skill development platform. We believe in building features that can help you understand and do things practically, but at the same time we want to make sure that it's easy for you to do it. And that is the main focus over here. Because we could just simply give you the lab and the video and that's it, but here we're developing features for you to make it easy for you, so then you can just do these things together and learn things quickly. So this is it for today. And if you have any questions about our custom developed courses, or if you want to get in touch with us and see how you can use this program in your environment, you're maybe a mentor, you're a college program manager, or anyone who would like to use this type of programs, let us know. We will be definitely helping you out in this area. Thank you.